Looking for sump pit installation in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to have a reliable sump pit when you need it most. Our sump pit installation service helps protect your Sherwood Park home from costly basement flooding, ensuring a dry and safe environment. In Sherwood Park, we know that heavy rainfall and clay-rich soil can be a real challenge, which is why our team provides specialized sump pit solutions tailored to your specific needs. We've been serving Sherwood Park for over a decade, so we know what it takes to do the job right. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sump pit installation in Sherwood Park.